A very warm welcome, student, in the another session of mathematics. Today I am going to discuss the remaining questions of exercise 3D. Before I discuss the remaining questions, a child has sent a query regarding question number 6. So first I discuss question number 6 with you and then I will proceed further. Question number 6 is as follows. If square root of 1 plus 27 by 169 is equal to 1 plus x by 13, find the value of x. See how we do it. Copy down the LHS part, that is 1 plus 27 upon 169 is equal to 1 plus x by 13. Now in LHS we'll take 169 as LCM and 169 will be multiplied in the numerator plus 27 is equal to 1 plus x by 13. Now when you will add this, you will get 9 and 7 16, 6 and 2 8 and 1 9 and 1 upon 169 is equal to 1 plus x by 13. This is a square root of 1, as I asked you to learn the squares from 11 to 30, that makes your calculation easier. So this is a square of 14 and 169 is a square of 13. The moment we take square root of the left side, that becomes 14 by 13 is equal to 1 plus x by 13. Now we transpose this 1 to the left side. So what we get? 14 by 13 minus 1 is equal to x by 13. LCM is 13. 14 minus 13 is equal to x by 13. So what we get? 1 by 13 is equal to x by 13. This way 13 gets cancelled from both the sides. Therefore x is equal to 1. We were looking for the value of x, that is 1. Hope you have understood question number 6, those who had a problem in that question. After that, I discussed I discussed up to question number 8 with you. Today I discussed question number 9 onwards. Question number 9, first I discuss find the value of square root of 15,625 and hence evaluate of this given expression. So first you will find the square root of 15,625. Now I proceed with question number 9. 15,625 is the given number. Firstly, we are looking for the square root of it. So firstly, what we do? We start making the periods, starting from the right side. So this is the first period, this is the second period and one left. So we think of the square number which is equal to 1, that is 1. 1 ones is 1. Now we subtract, what we are left with? Nothing, 0, that is. We copy down the next pair, that is next period. This is our new dividend. Now we add this 1 here. So what you got? 2. Now we have to affix a number in front of 2 such a way that we reach either to 56 or closest to 56. If you write 1, 21 into 1 will give you 21, that is far away. If I put 2 here, it will become 22. 22 into 2 is 44. If I put 3, 23 into 3 will give you 23 into 3 will give you 69. Okay, so that becomes greater. So I put 2 here, So 2 here and 2 here also. 22 into 2 will give you 44. We subtract them now. 6 minus 4 will give you 2. 5 minus 4 will give you 1. So we copy down the next period, that becomes a new dividend, that is 1225. For the new divisor, I add this 2 here, it becomes 24. Now we have to affix any number in front of 24 such a way that either we reach to 1225 or closest to it. So if you put a 5 in front of 24, so you will get 1225. So 5 we put it here also. And when you will multiply 245 into 5, you will get 1225. So this way we have find the square root of 15,625, that is equal to 125. Now in the question we are looking for the value of square root of 156.25 plus 1.5625. We are looking for the value of this expression. So how we find the value of this expression? Have a look here. I remove the decimal and write zeros in the denominator. So it becomes 100. Similarly, I do it for this. So what you will get in the denominator, as it has 4 decimal places, so we are going to write 4 zeros in the denominator. So this is the expression. We know very well the square root of, what does it mean? It means the square root of 1625 upon square root of 100 plus square root of 15,625 upon square root of 10,000. Okay. Now square root of 15625 we calculated above, that is 125. We know very well square root of 100 is 10. 10 into 10 is 100. Again 15,625 square root is 125 and the square root of 10,000 is 100. Now we divide it. 125 divided by 10 will give you 12.5. 125 divided by 100 will give you 1.25. We add both, so you will get 13.75. So this is your answer for the given expression, and we find out the square root of 15,625 as well. Okay, hope you have understood how to find the value of the given expression. Now I discuss question number 10. Evaluate. We are looking for the value of the given expression. We are given with two subparts. I do the second subpart for you. Question number 10, second part. Square root of 147 into square root of 243. So can we write them under the same square root as multiplication sign is there? Yes. So what I can write in place of it? 147 into 243. Now to find the square root of this, either you multiply and then do the long division, or better to do the prime factorization of 147 separately and 243. So I opt for the prime factorization method. 147, I do the prime factorization of 147. It is going by 3, 7 and 4 is 11 and 1, 12. The sum of the numbers is 12, that means it is divisible by 3. So I start with 3. 3 4s is 12, 2 left, 27, 3 9s is 27. And 49 we know very well, it's a square of 7. So this way I have done the prime factorization of 147. Now I do the prime factorization of 243. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. 81 is the square of 9. Okay. Now I write this prime factorization here. That means in place of 147 what we can write 3 into 7 into 7. And in place of 243 what we can write 3 into 9 into 9. So we are having a pair of 9. We are having a pair of 7 as well as a pair of 3. So the moment we write the square root of the given expression, what we'll write, we remove the square root sign and from out of each pair we'll write only one number. So one number from pair of 3 and from 7 and from 9. When you will multiply 7 9s is 7 9s is 63. 63 into 3, that will give you 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 189 is the answer. Okay children, hope you have understood how to do question number 10. Now I discuss question number 11 with you. Question number 11 has 6 parts. So I do question number 11, third part for you firstly, and then the fifth part. Question number 1, 11th first part, the hint is given and it's very easy. You can do it off your own easily. You try it. If you have a problem, then I'll say it. Question number 11, third part now. Question number 11 I have copied. See, we have square root under square root. The first you'll solve this square root of 0.0064. Then we will do the next one. So what I write 0.001 as it is, and then square root of 0.004 can be written as 64 upon 10,000. Okay. Now when we know very well that 64 is a square of 8 and 10,000 is a square root of 100. So it is 8 square and 100 square. The moment it is written in the square form and we take it out square root, then what it will become? This I copy down as it is. So what you'll get? 8 upon 100. Now I remove the decimal of the first expression, that is 0.01. So what you'll get? 1 upon 100 plus 8 upon 100. Now both are having 100 in the denominator, so we add the given rational numbers 100 and 1 plus 8. So what you will get? 9 by 100. And we know very well 9 square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 100 is 10. So the answer becomes 0.3. Or you can add one more step here. 9 is a square of 3 and 100 is a square of 10, and then you can write this step. So the answer is 0.3. Hope you have understood how to do question number 11, third part. Now I discuss question number 11, fifth part with you. Question number 11, fifth part is given as it is. So first we will solve square root of 9, then square root of 19, and this way we will start solving. So we copy down the rest part as it is. Square root of 41 minus square root of 21 plus square root of 19 minus square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So I remove the square root sign and I write 3. Then what we get? 41 minus square root of 21. 19 minus 3 is 16. So I write 16. You know very well 16 is a square of 4. The rest to be copied as it is. Square root of 16 is 4. Now 21 plus 4 will give you square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5. 41 minus 5 will give you 36. 36 is square of 6. So this is the answer. Hope you have understood how to do question number 11, fifth part. So similarly, you can solve the remaining parts of question number 11. If you have difficulty in any subpart, I will discuss with you in the next session. Now I discuss question number 12 with you. 3/5 of the square of a certain number is 126.5. Find the number. So first you'll write the mathematical expression and then we'll solve it. 3/5 of the square of the certain number. That means let the number be x. 3/5 of the square of that number. That means the x square and 3 by 5 more. So that will become 3 by 5 into x square and that is equal to 126.15. Let's see how to write the mathematical expression. Question number 12. Let the number be x. Now according to question, what they are saying, 3/5 of square of that number, so x square, is equal to 126.15. Now we solve this. 3 by 5 into x square is equal to 126.15. We transpose 5 that side as well as 3. So 5 is in the denominator, it will go in the numerator, and 3 is in the numerator, it will go in the denominator. So what we get, x square is equal to 126.15 into 15 upon 3. When you see 126.15 is getting cancelled with 3. 3 ones is 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 twos are 6, 1 is not divisible. So firstly we will copy decimal. 1 is not divisible, we'll write 0 as it is smaller than 1 or smaller than 3. Now it becomes 15, 3 5s is 15. Now x square is equal to 42.05 into 5. So x square into, so when you multiply 42.05 into 5, you will get 210.25. Now we are looking for the value of x. That means we are looking for the square root of 210.25. You can write it this way also, 21025 upon 100. Now you find the square root of 21,025, and we know very well square root of 100 is 10, and then you will get the value of x. So I leave the square root. Finding the square root of 21,025 up to you. After calculating the square root, you can solve it further and you'll get the answer. Okay, children, this way I have completed exercise 3D with you. If you have any problem, you can send me your queries. So I completed exercise 3D. Tomorrow in the next session, I'll discuss exercise 3E. That's the end of the session, children. Thank you. Have a good day.